This is the pre-market report for February 17th of 2011. Welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Miguel Vences. I'm mentor and an analyst here for Grok Trade. I am covering this morning for DES. Taking a look at the markets today, the futures are leaning towards a lower open. The Dow futures 0.16%, the S&P futures 0.24%, and the Nasdaq futures 0.21%. These futures were mostly flat until we got some news at 8:30 New York time. The CPI was reported at 0.4%, slightly higher than expected. And also the core CPI, slightly higher than expected, came out at 2%. Initial claims also very slightly higher than expected. And continuing claims, basically what the market expected. But the reaction to this news is a slight movement to the downside. And looking at the SPY, the daily chart, as we can see, we're coming against these two trend lines that I have drawn here. But yesterday, we closed right at this level of resistance. So the inclination today to the lower open, it's probably due in part to the news, which are mostly flat, but also a natural reaction to being against these two main trend lines, these levels of resistance, which, as you can see, have been pretty strong. So it's going to take some more energy from the bulls to be able to go and overcome these lines of resistance. It'll be interesting to see whether we start dropping or just do a high base, which is what we've done lately. We haven't been going into a whole lot of retracements, but we've been doing a lot of basing. Now let's take a look at the 5-minute bars in the SPY, and we can see that for the past couple of days, we've been between the level 133, 134, and 133.20. And so as we're leading towards a lower open, the levels to be looking for some support will be the 133.20, definitely, 133.12, and 133. That is in the 5-minute chart. If we take a look at the 15-minute bar, we see the levels I was showing you, but just a little bit clearer. It will be interesting to see what happens if we open under the 200 period moving average, because that definitely would be a level of support or resistance if we go lower than this line. And as I finish this video, the futures continue to be slightly down, but at least towards the open, it looks like the bears will be in control. Have a safe trading day. And by the way, if you have any Spanish-speaking friends that are also interested in the stock market, tell them that we also have our technical analysis videos in Spanish. And not only that, but we will also be doing some free seminars in the near future in Spanish. So once again, have a safe trading day, and I'll see you guys this afternoon.